Welcome to Tip Tuesday. I'm Mark Sudonik, Textile Applications Specialist with Graphic Solutions Group. Today we're going to go over proper exposure and washing out techniques. First, we're going to start with taking our film and carrier sheet and putting it onto the pins in the master frame on our exposure unit. Smoothing it down and apply a thin piece of tape at the bottom of the screen to keep it straight and keep it secure. Now we're going to load our frame. We're going to push the frame consistently against the three plungers on the back of the master frame, pulling it towards us to the three stop blocks. Once it is secure, we're going to go ahead, close our exposure unit, and set our vacuum in exposure. Once the screen is fully exposed, we'll remove it from the exposure unit and take it into our washout booth. We're going to rinse it down on each side to get the emulsion nice and wet, and then go ahead and use pressure to actually clean out the entire stencil.
Again, no glue.
Now that we've gone over proper exposure and washing out, the next tip is going to be the basics of taping out a screen. So we'll see you next Tuesday.